Hey tech enthusiasts. Imagine wearing a single outfit that changes color based on your mood. Science fiction? Not anymore. Welcome to the world of AI-powered clothes that can change their color with just a thought, a temperature shift, or even an app-controlled command. AI-integrated fabrics are no longer a futuristic concept. These garments are embedded with smart textiles that respond to your environment, or even your emotions. Think of it like a mood ring, but for your entire wardrobe. These AI fabrics work by detecting subtle changes in temperature, light, and sometimes even your mood through biofeedback. Imagine showing up at a party, and your clothes automatically shift to match the vibe. Or how about a jacket that turns a calming blue when you're stressed? But wait, here's something even wilder. Flying cars. Yes, you heard that right. The future is now. Flying cars are no longer a dream. Here's everything you need to know. Flying cars are fast becoming a reality, and two of the most exciting players in the field are Alef Aeronautics and XPeng. The Alef Aeronautics Model A is an all-electric, road-legal vehicle that can take to the skies with the push of a button, and XPeng's X2 is a sleek flying machine that's already making test flights across the globe. The price tag? Well, they aren't cheap, but they're closer to reality than ever before. The Alef Model A will set you back around $300,000, and the XPeng X2 is expected to start around $200,000. But think about it. The days of traffic jams might soon be behind us, as personal air transport could become just another part of our daily commute. And speaking of the future, would you trust an AI to defend you in court? It's happening right now. AI lawyers like DoNotPay are shaking up the legal world. These bots can help you draft contracts, fight parking tickets, and even offer legal advice. The best part? They're available to anyone with a smartphone. But the question remains, can AI truly replace human lawyers? While these systems are incredibly efficient, they still have limitations when it comes to nuanced human emotion and complex legal strategies. But as AI continues to evolve, the line between human and machine lawyers is blurring faster than ever. Imagine this, no more waiting for organ donors. In fact, scientists just 3D printed a human heart. Could this be the key to solving the organ shortage crisis? Breakthroughs in 3D bioprinting are revolutionizing healthcare. Researchers are now able to print human tissues and even entire organs like livers, kidneys, and hearts. These bioprinted organs could one day replace the need for transplants, saving thousands of lives each year. This isn't science fiction anymore. With these technologies, organ donations could soon be a thing of the past. While we're still a few years away from mass production, the possibilities are mind-blowing. Imagine a world where no one has to wait for a donor, where every life can be saved in an instant. From AI-powered fashion to flying cars and lab-grown organs, the future is unfolding before our very eyes. So, what's next? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the future is going to be unlike anything we've ever imagined. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing innovations. The future is now. Are you ready?